Look, I built something magical, something that India didn't have until now. Think of it as a Marauder's map, but instead of revealing mischief makers at Hogwarts, it reveals every domestic biogas plant manufacturer across India. You tap a state, and it reveals its secrets. Let me show you. Here's why this matters. With the war in the Middle East, global fuel prices are through the roof. India imports over 85% of its crude oil. LPG cylinder prices keep climbing, and yet we are sitting on millions of tons of organic waste that could become free cooking gas. The problem? People want to install a domestic biogas plant at home, but they have no clue who to contact in their city. IndiaMART hides everything behind login walls. Google gives you 10 blue links with no clarity. So I researched the data, visualized it first with India in pixels. Shout out to that brilliant platform. And then I turned it into this. Every colored state has verified manufacturers. The darker the color, the more companies. Maharashtra leads with 32, UP and Delhi NCR at 23, Gujarat at 29. Hover over any state, you see the count and how many cities have data. Now watch what happens when I click. Accio manufacturers. The state opens up. On the left, every verified company grouped by city. Name, full address, phone number. You can tap to call, Google ratings, website, business hours. On the right, a live interactive map with numbered markers and routes connecting them. Let me click Praj Industries. The map flies to Hinjawadi, Pune. 4.5 stars, 377 reviews, phone number right there. Scroll down in the sidebar, there's Prakriti Enterprises, etc. other companies. Back to the map. Let me try West Bengal. Since I am based in Kolkata, this one matters to me. 10 verified manufacturers, Agastya Invention, on Rafi Ahmed Kidwai Road, GP Green Energy, etc. etc. Every single one with an address and contact details. No login wall, no ads, just the information. 119 verified companies, 10 states, one single HTML file, completely free and open source. This is what happens when you take raw data, research it honestly, visualize it with India in pixels, and build something useful on top. The data stops being a chart, it becomes a tool that could help someone in Jaipur or Kochi or Nagpur pick up their phone and call a biogas manufacturer today. The app scales, more states, more companies, even other sectors like solar or EV charging. Give me ideas, we can collab. I solemnly swear this map is up to good by God's grace. See you again.